The short film you're about to watch will give you a better understanding of how your first 24 weeks here at SETA will go. This video will cover the units that you will be undertaking to pass your NVQ Level 3, what is expected of your logbook, and the BTEC that SETA provides. Your NVQ units are selected by your employers to best suit your future trade. To pass this NVQ, you'll need to complete a minimum of 6 topics and complete the paperwork associated with each unit. The following are the most common units. Hand fitting techniques is the production of a variety of components by first measuring and marking, and then using saws, drills and files. There is a lot of emphasis on quality checks, making sure your work is accurate and within tolerance. Electrical wiring and testing consists of installing, inspecting and testing different electrical circuits, progressing from basic domestic lighting and sockets to industrial 3-phase motors. Electrical maintenance is the process of locating faults in different circuits using visual and proving techniques. This is then followed by rectifying the faults and retesting the installation. Enclosures and support systems is the forming and assembly of different types of cable enclosures, such as trunking and conduit. This is done by using hand-fitting techniques such as sawing, bending and filing. Welding is the process of joining together 2 pieces of metal with molecular bonding. This can be done by using heat and/or pressure to melt and bond the metal surfaces together with or without the addition of a filler wire. Machining involves manufacturing components using various materials, working with lathes and milling machines. This can be done using manual techniques and CNC, or computer numerical control. Programmable Logic Control, or PLC, is an industrial computer control system that continuously monitors the state of input devices. It then uses logic to make decisions based on a custom-made program to control the state of output devices. Mechanical maintenance involves dismantling, inspecting and replacing mechanical components in systems such as engines and gearboxes. You will also be using a variety of techniques to diagnose and repair different faults on these components. Pipe fitting is installing tubing systems that convey liquid, gas and occasionally solid materials. This work involves preparing the pipe, join it together by various means, plus the location and repair of leaks. Hydraulics and pneumatics is the process of using fluid power to move actuators on various machinery which lift, clamp or move objects. For example, it can be used when operating a JCB or crane. During your time at SETA, you will be expected to update your logbook in a similar fashion to a diary. Your logbook is your proof of work. It is your responsibility to fill in weekly and take good care of it. Furthermore, it is a vital part of getting your NVQ Level 3. You're advised to fill out your logbook at least once a week with important information. Here are some examples of what you can put in your logbook. For electrical wiring and testing logbook entries, you could put in detailed circuit diagrams, safe working practices and helpful techniques for the future. For the machining unit, your entries could include drawings of parts or components you have made, speed and gear calculations, and how to safely use the equipment. The majority of employers will want you to do the Level 3 BTEC qualification. If you are required to do this course, it takes place once a week over 2 years. There are a variety of topics that are taught, and these could include health and safety, maths, computer-aided design and technical drawing. Each topic is graded pass, merit, distinction, and you get 1 rework on each assignment you hand in. Failure to complete assignments can lead to disciplinary action and failure of the course. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy your time at SETA.